Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your network connections folder is empty in the control panel and you don't see any items listed in there. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I would suggest doing would be to open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match should say command prompt, right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in ipconfig followed by a space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard. Should come back a Windows IP configuration, successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset, once again exactly how you see it on my screen, and hit enter. Successfully reset the WinSock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. At this point, close out of here and you want to restart your device. And then hopefully the network connections folder should be populated with different available networks to connect to. If you're still having a problem, we can try resetting our network settings back to default, which I do want to point out, you do need to have your Wi-Fi credentials close by because once you restart our computer, after performing the next action, you will need to have those if you want to get back connected online. So just please keep that in mind before proceeding. So once you have them, go ahead and open up the search menu, type in network reset. Best match should say network reset. Go ahead and open that up. This will remove and then reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. Select reset now. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Select yes. You're going to be signed out automatically within 5 minutes, but we're going to manually go ahead and restart our computer at this time. So then hopefully this pointer issue has been resolved, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.